Iron Rattler at Six Flags Qiddiya City. The tallest and fastest tilt coaster in the world, a hyper tilt coaster, and my first tilt coaster ever. I am very excited for this. Oh, such a quick lift. My first time ever tilting on one of these Vekomas. And my first modern Vekoma other than Hallzuber Cup, so first one that's not an invert. The landscape at this park is absolutely stunning. Just look at that view. Just all these lights everywhere. Just an insane marvel of engineering that they have here. Oh my god. Who put that tilt track there? Oh, this feels so weird. This feels so weird. Oh my god. What a ridiculous view that is. Oh my god. And we sit here for so long. Oh! Whoa! Oh my god. Oh, that's really intense, like right out there. Whoa! Such good air. Whoa! Oh my god! Whoa! Oh my god! Whoa! Whoa! Oh my god! Whoa! Oh my god! Oh, that's so good. Oh my god, that's an incredible coaster. Wow. I thought it was going to be good. I didn't think it would be that good. That ride slaps. That is so good. Unreal. Iron Rattler. I hadn't even done the Iron Rattler at Six Flags Fiesta, Texas yet, and I'm on this one. Insane. What a crazy ride. And what a view from the brake run. See Spitfire, Falcon's Flight. Insane. What a park this is.